Hi, Jesus. I love you so much more than anything, Jesus. Look, and God, this is important. Because you know how I sleep. You make my sleep sweet. Because I work to be holy and righteous. I want to order the skull, like 120 decibel alarm clock. Because I have trouble getting up. Jesus, you know. And, but since it has a skull on it, I'm afraid you may not want me to have it. Please tell me, Jesus, because I work for you. Is it okay for me to get the skull alarm clock that's 120, 130 decibels? Thank you, Jesus. I love you, Jesus. More than anything, Jesus. Please show me, Jesus. Thank you. See what Jesus says. Is it okay, Jesus? Can I get the skull alarm clock? Yes, there's me, and that's kind of how my eyes look when I wake up in the morning. God says, I make you sleep. I make you wake up. I know it, God. And I do God first every day. God first, and all these things shall be added unto you. Look, he's showing him waking me up. God, you are so sweet. Oh, so sweet. Oh, God, I love you. What is the light at the end of my... God said he's my light. Yes, you're my light, God. Oh, God, I love you. You're so sweet. And there's me with the symbol for God over me, and there's God. Speak light. Okay, now I'm being serious. I'm telling you, God, he does what he wants. Can I get the skull alarm clock, God? Is it okay? God, God is something else, you guys. He's like, I put the light in your eyes. I wake you up. He's not having this conversation. God, you are so adorable. He said, Wolf girl, pay attention. God. You are so sweet. God, look, there's me sleeping. Hear me too loud. God is so sick. Look, there's me. He's showing the skull. He's showing flame coming out of his mouth. Waking me up. God, you are so silly. God. This is the funniest thing. God is so silly. Look at it. And that's exactly what the skull looks like too on the top of the clock. Oh my gosh. Oh God, you were so funny. Look, there's God over Jesus. God's laughing. He's like, we want to watch. Oh, God said I'm your light no matter what you get. Oh my gosh, this is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Because he's showing that little alarm clock waking me up and me jumping up. And there's God and Jesus watching. And God's laughing. He's like, get it. It'll be hysterical. Oh my God. Oh God, you are so funny. I love you, God. God's like, get it, I want to watch. Okay, God, I'll order it. I love you, God. You are so beautiful. Oh, I love you, God.